Ibo igoni gokorekana ase Kaunti ya Nyamira ase Siku y'oboroso ya Sironga iyo gotoka sebunge ya West Mugrango awase emete chiri bibere yabage gusimekwa ekerwa n'abantu bagenderete gosegetwa gusimeke emete asobonge muri kitkorwa ase Kaunti yo job manki no roboti urwasobwagare
Ekero ensengima yachengera litukulinene lechinsana ime Kaunti Nyamira nigo abamenyi be Kaunti yibachengera ase Siku y'oboroso ya Sironga asemete chirububere abagego simekwa.
So we have planted 2,000 seedlings on this site. Because it is a compound, you find that the space covered is big. We have covered around 2 hectares, not acres, 2 hectares. We intend to plant 12,000, a total of 12,000.
Omoyego unigora unomo conservator Mark Oko, omokonyi womo County Commissioner Florence Obunga, aseba menyibo igona boro kyobe skuru eyo, vaikirana. Omurai otenenerete oborendi bwemete ime County Nyamira, nate banigo balige chigosimeka emete asobonge, elindego kinya ekerengo yechinsemo chibwate chinsana.
The current forest cover which has been published is 12.8%, but we as Kenya Forest Service, we estimate that the tree cover in Nyamira is 35%. We have no quarrel, we don't debate that, because once you fly over Nyamira, you will see that the tree cover is really high.
Ase arwa esegete nene gochia saba menyi, gosimeka emete koro na gochika osimeki wemete meringamu.
Us as Kenya Forest Service, we want to discourage overuse of the wetland by promoting planting of indigenous tree species. That doesn't mean that we don't plant any other species. We do, but we do plant those that are friendly.
Omokonyi womo County Commissioner Florence Obunga nate babuna eserekali neruete kulinda ebintu bitonchokanaine gwetera asobo simeki bwemete.
That this was a directive that was given by the President on the Jamhuri Day celebrations, where he directed that all chiefs must plant 30 trees monthly.
Ase arwa ekuro entindi gochia saba menyi bense meyo unamba chikorisia etugo yabo ase Siku eyo.
He reported that the community graze their animals within the school compound. We want to discourage and we want to inform the community that nobody is allowed to graze within the school compound. And the trees that we are planting today, and even those ones that we'll plant gradually, we want to ensure that they are nurtured.
Arwa esege togocha sabagambi n'abakonyi babo kora obusimeki bwemete asokoro sinasari chemete asabisi cyabo chire.
We have instructed all our chiefs and assistant chiefs to ensure that they establish tree nurseries at the locational level so that we are able to have enough trees to plant during this rainy season. We are saying that these trees, once they are ready and mature, we will identify public land or public institutions where we can plant these trees.
Tikolia rero lyogosimeka emete esegeto enenene linga emete nero obugima korwa se Siku ya Sironga egotoka ime Kaunti Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV job